Well, I got the Datsun in the shop, and I'm going to take a little walk around of it. It's definitely got some dents and rust and stuff like that. It's been sitting in a field for 12 years. But you know what? Who cares? Let's see what we can do with this bad boy. So let's check out the interior real quick. If I can get this door open, there we go. Let's see what's in here. I really didn't even take a look at this thing before I got it. Just saw that it was sitting there. The owner said I could have it, and I said, what the hell? So there's the interior. Looks like it's not a 2+2, it's just a regular two-seater. Got some junk sitting in the seats, and look, there's a stick and a jug of water and some antifreeze and all sorts of stuff. But hey, check out the door cards. They're in pretty good shape. Not bad for a car that's been sitting for 12 years. You see there's a little bit of rust right there. There's just random spots. There's some right up there on the top. And it's kind of dark in here, otherwise I'd show you all around, but honestly it's not as bad as you would think after sitting for so long. And there's definitely some spots. So we've got our work cut out for us, but I think we might be able to get something done. See if I can get to the engine real quick. There it is. Check that out. Not too shabby. Wonder if we can get this thing running. I mean, if I decide to keep this, an LS swap would be pretty cool. There's so much room under this hood. But maybe I can get this thing going too. You never know. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. I do have a plethora of projects, because we've got the MGB GT right here. And then way back here in the back of my shop, I've got the AmeriCore XR4 Ti Ford Sierra. Just kind of hanging out up there. That's also undergoing LS swap. I've kind of stalled on that project though, but yeah, it's time to get moving. Get this camper out of the way. Anyway, you guys let me know what you think in the comments. Have a good one.